I am.
I am. Okay. So let's start with the projects first. Only 3 projects I'll take today. Okay? Not more than that. And after that, I'll start with the class. So first it is, whom should I start with?
Good morning, ma'am.
How many of you are ready? Aditya is ready, Aprajita is ready, and
Shefali.
Shivank.
Shivank is also ready. Okay.
Ma'am, my group is ready.
Ma'am, even I'm ready.
Shefali.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we will take 3 projects today. Can I take Aprajita, Shefali, and Aditya today? Aditya, will you do it today?
Okay, ma'am.
And if time permits, I'll take Shivank's also today.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I start with Shefali? First Shefali, then Aprajita, then Shivank, then Aditya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Shefali, start.
Share screen, no, ma'am.
Yes. Do you know the topic of the project?
Ma'am, uses of digital services in our daily life.
Yes, uses of digital services. It is your portfolio activity. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, mine is not those many. Like, I made only 3 to 4 slides.
Okay, okay, no problem. Start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shefali. Today, I'm going to tell you a report which I've written for my project activity, which is views of people towards robotic world.
Yes.
Robotic world. The opinion of our society. Our society is full of thoughts like desires, opinions, dreams to transfer into the world of technology. But have we ever thought about what common people think of this idea? But the students of Euroschool have done it. On April 15, 2020, the students were asked to take opinions of their relatives, parents, grandparents, and siblings on changing the world into robotic world or using technology. The students were told to collect information or opinions from calling services and then present a YouTube video which could help the students distract from the lockdown happening for coronavirus. Science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Edward Turner. The students have shared the views they collect, like from the grandparents they've collected that yes, it's wonderful to see you study in phones and laptops. Phone is really helpful as we don't get bored, but it stops your experience from real life experiences. From parents, it is an amazing way you're focused on studying over the internet. The phone technology has made it so easy to do everything like transactions, shopping, and security. But this technology leads you to addiction and trouble for the social and physical development. Fellow citizens earn.
Start. Whatever you have said from beyond. Yes. Beyond that, you start, Shefali.
Yeah. Like from the where I stopped?
Yes.
Okay. Fellow citizens or neighbors, technology is really safe as a citizen who is in trouble can press his or her phone start time 3 times and the emergency number will automatically dial. But the report made by the students, we can understand that technology has everything it needs and the wants. But it also has some imperfections and advantages. So we also can take the side of technology. We can always take the side of technology, or neither can we say that it is of no use. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Right. Now let's start with Aprajita's. Okay.
Good morning, one and all. I am Aprajita and I have prepared a little something on digital services. But first, let me tell you what they are. The term digital services refers to the electronic delivery of information, including data and content, across multiple platforms like the web or a mobile. So now, without further ado, let's get started. Oh, hi. What am I doing, you may ask? Well, I was just about to play a video on YouTube. You see, being a homemaker, I don't get time to go out for a jog or hit the gym. So I just play a video on YouTube and that's the way I work out. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Just paying my bills. Thank God for net banking services. Because with this much work on my head, it's nearly impossible for me to leave my house and do long paperwork. Hi. Sorry, I'm on my phone. A few patients, It's impossible to always be at the clinic. But my own website really helps me out. I can talk to my patients via the internet. Isn't that great? Oh, hi there. Was just getting ready for class. Thank God for all the digital services. They help us to be updated. It's very important for a teacher to have the right information. Oh, there it is. Hey there.
Nani.
Just about to go for a shopping spree. Thank God for digital services. They help me know what's on the trending list. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Oh, sorry there. I was recording a video. Spreading awareness about coronavirus. I'm so glad that we have these digital services. Otherwise, how will we be able to spread our message across the world? So as you just saw, each and every person uses digital services to make their lives easier. Until next time, goodbye.
Oh my God, this was awesome.
That's good.
Okay. Now it is whose number? Aditya. Aditya.
Shivang's, I guess. Okay.
Shivang's. Okay. Share your share.
No, Shivang.
Who's?
Ma'am, it's Aditya, not
I'm
Shivang.
fine with anyone.
Okay, fine. Anyone can go ahead. Aditya or Shivang?
Aditya, go ahead.
Shivang, you please.
Fine, whatever.
Okay. Is Shivang going ahead?
Sure.
Yes, Shivang. Start.
Wait. Share. So today I'm gonna talk
It's not
about.
visible.
Really? It's not.
Shivang, you've not
It's buffering.
project also.
Ma'am, I think I will go next because I have some internet issues.
Okay. Aditya? Aditya, can you start?
Ma'am, can we do after Aditya?
Tarun, not, the full day I'm not taking the projects, right? So
And
next,
there's still time.
no. I have to take a lesson also. That's what I'm trying to say. Is Aditya?
So we'll get a chance next
You will
class.
do next, yes, next time, next session. Four
Yeah, yeah.
students I'll take. Right.
Yeah, ma'am.
Is Aditya
We
ready?
need a group of 4 people.
Ma'am, I'll start.
Who is starting? Shivang.
Ma'am, Aditya.
Okay, Aditya, start. Start. Go on slide share, Aditya. Yes, slideshow. Slideshow.
Yeah, ma'am.
Play from start.
Okay or not?
If from start.
Yes.
Good morning, one and all. I am Aditya, and today I am going to show you the uses of digital services in our daily life. Digital services allow people to communicate, text messages, social networking, email, voice and video calls, study and education. Just like we can see videos, we can share photos, or we can click photos. Social networking, we can chat on social network, we can email anyone, we can see newses, We can get instant messages, we can listen to music, and we can do some finances. Most frequently used digital services are Amazon, from where we can buy products, Swiggy, we can order food, Byju's, we can study, that helps us to improve our information. Then we can play games, we can order medicines, and all. Uses of digital services. Uses of digital services include entertainment, online shopping and banking, and home appliances. This has helped us save us lots of time in our personal lives by automating tasks and saving us from having to travel as much. Social uses of digital devices include social networking sites, instant messages, and VoIP. Thank you, ma'am. Done.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I try mine once?
Yes.
Is it visible now?
No, we can only see your screen. We cannot see your project.
Wait. Still no?
Ma'am, just say share to the Zoom call. Just don't go for anything like that.
Is it visible now?
No.
Shivang, it's just buffering.
Okay, Shivang, can you try the next time?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes? Right. Do one thing, keep that on your desktop. Then you learn. Or else mail it to me. I will show it in the next session.
Okay, ma'am.
And you can explain. Okay?
Ma'am, can you share your email ID, ma'am?
Yes, I will send you. Okay. Now okay. So now let us again go with the lesson. Today's lesson. Next time, who all are going to do? Next time it is Letitia, Karni, Tarun's group. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Be ready with your projects. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. Ma'am, sound of music.
Yes, we are doing sound of music. I will divide this session into two. The reason being because I am also taking projects in between. Now, the other thing is sound of music has got two parts. The first one and then the first one is Evelyn Glenn and then the second one is Ustad, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. So today we are going to do Evelyn Glenn listens to sound. Let's see what we are going to learn from this lesson. To read and comprehend the text, that is the general objective. Then to understand the value of healthy body and appreciate it. To understand that any sort of physical disability is not a hindrance to success. Can you identify these celebrities?
Stephen Hawking, Helen Keller,
Stephen Hawking,
Helen Keller.
Beethoven.
Yes. Who is this?
Ma'am, he's an Indian, what is it?
His name is Ravindra Jain. He's an Indian musician. Okay.
Blind.
Yeah, he's blind. What are the similarities in these?
They all have some kind of disability.
Some kind of disability and yet they are successful,
Yes.
right? So why not people with intact physical abilities be successful? Is it not a question? Why do we fail children? Why do we say we cannot do this? We have got everything, right? Yes or no? Children, reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see now. Let's watch this video. Did you see, children? Children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am.
what did you understand? Is
Ma'am, that
People with
disabilities.
disabilities can also do anything.
Yeah.
Can succeed any goal.
Do you remember we also had a chapter in grade 8 on top of the world,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
right? So, how much inspiration and motivation do we get from these people? God has given us a healthy body and still we find it limited. We say we cannot run, we cannot dance, we cannot perform better, we cannot do this. This cannot should be eliminated from our life. Because if these people can do, we can do too. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us discuss. The title says, Evelyn Glenn listens to sound without hearing it. Do we not wonder, how can somebody listen to a sound when you can't hear? Right? Let us see how Evelyn Glenn was able to listen to sound although she could not hear. Let's see this. God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. Can you tell me what you mean by this? Let us discuss, and I'll open the discussion forum for all of you.
What do you mean you're gonna open something?
This is a forum for all of you. You can
It means we can discuss.
thought.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Because it can be because of her blindness. She has a power or something, not power, but the ability or to think that yeah, I can do this, and that makes her feel that way that she can feel the other things in that produces music.
Okay.
Actually, she feels the music by the vibrations.
Why the vibrations? So can
Scientifically.
Atisha vibrate? Okay, you all continue. This is
So
two.
this is scientific.
This is
Scientific then.
okay. Anybody else? Divya, Subhashri, Karni, Chris. Shavina, Sai Mohit, Ishita, Arbaz. This is a discussion, children.
Ma'am, you ask a question and we'll start discussing.
I put a quote over there. As Letitia said that through vibrations, or as Shifali said that things we can feel, we can express deeply, right? So how is somebody who is not able to hear feel things?
Willpower.
Ma'am, she was passionate about music, so she tried her best to get back into it even after losing her hearing.
Can we all close our ears for a second and feel something? For a second, I am asking you.
No, ma'am.
Close our ears, that's the point.
We can still hear you.
No, but suppose if we close it in such a manner that we cannot hear anything. Can we feel anything if when we are not able to hear anything?
Not really.
Ma'am, we can't.
Not
Maybe.
really, but yeah, actually with the hand vibration or
Ma'am,
something.
with the practice you can, ma'am. There's this
Sign language.
deaf person who came back into singing, ma'am, just like her. So what they do is they put her mic and everything to a very loud speaker and put it on the stage so that she can feel the vibration through her feet.
You must be expert in that to understand vibrations.
Exactly.
And also,
have
ma'am,
practice.
because
She's
they
an
have
elephant.
a disability, the other senses of the body become stronger.
That is
Yeah, that is true. That is
when
true.
when one door is closed, there are many doors which open, right? Is that the correct quote which I am using, Letitia?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That when there is one
Ultimate
way which is
elephant.
closed, there are several ways which are open for us. Okay, let's see what happens next. Can anybody read this line? Chris, can you read? Is Chris there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Ma'am, the first one.
Yes, the first lines.
Rush hour crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. A slight girl, looking younger than her 17 years, was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibrations of the approaching train.
Right, right. Can you know? So jostle means push roughly, and slight means small and thin. So, so what happens? Sometimes with the vibrations you can feel. So here the same thing was happening. There was a girl who was in 17 years, like looking younger than her 17 years, was standing at the underground train platform, and she felt the vibrations of the approaching train. Arbaz, read the first two lines.
It was a first day at the it was a first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London, and daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm.
Yes. Daunting means frightening and scary. Next. Mohit, read.
But this aspiring musician faced
Yes, read Mohit.
But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than a most. She was a profoundly deaf.
Right. Okay. So what do you mean by this? Glenn's loss of hearing had been gradual. Can anybody explain this?
I'm like in the start she was not like completely deaf, and then while growing she became more and more deaf.
Yes. Yes.
Deaf always.
So she was not born deaf. It gradually happened.
It's like a
Ma'am, she
symptom
had
in
a
the
rare
ears.
disease.
She had
A rare symptom which causes the loss
As
of
she was
hearing.
growing, her
Partially.
hearing was deteriorated.
yes. Aditi, read. Aditi. Aditi, read. Is Aditi there? She's not listening to me. Aditi, read.
Ma'am, her voice is very faint.
She's trying to unmute herself, ma'am, but her voice is very faint.
Okay, okay. Okay, she will read later. I'll ask. Yes. Dheeraj, read.
Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8 years old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. They called her name and she didn't move. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard. She hadn't heard, says Isabel Glennie.
So what is the mother's name?
Isabel
The
Glennie.
Isabel
Glennie.
Glennie.
Yes, Isabel Glenn. Okay. Next slide, Asad will read.
It seems Aditi's mic is not working.
Okay. Let Asad read.
For quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers.
So now what happened, children? She was going through a rough time. She was knowing that something is wrong with her and she started to conceal her deafness from friends and teachers. She started to
Hide it.
hide it in front of everyone. Right. Pavani,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
But it was then discovered
What
that by the time she was 11, her marks had
deteriorated.
and her headmistress
Headmistress
urged her parents to take her specialist.
Yes. Now what happened? Such kind of things are generally noticed by teachers. So because her marks were she was getting less marks, so the teacher, in a very friendly manner, headmistress, told the parent to take her to a specialist, the ENT. Okay. Now I will ask Venkat Varun, read.
It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage.
So there was a nerve damage because of which she was unable to hear. Next line. After impaired, there is another line. I want who will read? Ishita, read.
They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf.
Yes. Husna, read. Husna. Shifali, Husna is there?
One second, madam.
I don't think Husna is there.
No, ma'am, she's not there. She's not there.
Nope.
Okay,
Umaira is there.
Niharika, read then. Niharika.
Gone. Okay.
Niharika Pathak. They are not. That's the problem.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
No.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, please.
No.
Ma'am, you know, you don't get.
Ma'am, not fair, ma'am.
Please.
Sankarshna, read.
Who, ma'am?
Sankarshna.
Yes, ma'am. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. But Evelyn was not going to give up.
Ma'am, I don't know why. I can just see it has damaged. Okay. Done.
Yes. So everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. But Evelyn was not going to give up. Okay. Next slide is Rehan. Read. He will be quiet. So Pradeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Yeah, okay. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music.
Very good.
One day she noticed.
Read. One day she noticed.
One day she noticed a girl playing xylophone and decided to that she wanted to play it too.
Right. So what happened? She was determined to lead a normal life. And because she was passionate about music, she wanted to continue. Now, one day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. Can you see this is a xylophone?
Yes, ma'am.
And decided that she wanted to play it too. Okay. So, Bashri, read.
Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist
Huh.
Ron Forbes spotted her potential. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes.
Right.
Don't listen through your ears, he would say. Try to sense it some other way.
Yes. Okay. Now, Divya, read.
Ma'am, from the red line or the
Red
black
line,
part down?
No, red line.
Suddenly, I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down.
See, now do you understand how she was sensing? With practice, she realized that whenever there was a higher note, she used to feel it from the waist up. And whenever there was a lower one, from the waist down. Okay.
I was right then.
Yes. Siddhartha, are you there?
That means she could sense vibrations.
She could sense my. Siddhartha, are you
So
there?
she's an elephant.
Yeah. Siddhartha, read.
Forbes repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body.
Good. Tarun, read. Tarun.
Yeah, ma'am. I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibrations. The rest was sheer determination and hard work.
Now, see, we will stop over here. Okay. In the next session, we'll take from the next session. We'll start the half of the chapter.
Ma'am, in the next session, can we read the
Please,
people?
ma'am, please. The people who requested.
Okay, we will see that. The people who have requested. Right. In the next session, you want to read, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is this happening? Okay. So what happened, children? What was that which happened? What happened over there?
Ma'am, what it basically tells is we can do anything with determination.
With determination. We can do anything with determination. We can also feel things.
Not only through our ears, but other ways also.
Exactly. So what I understood from this much part was, children, it is not important that we lose out on any of our senses. We don't fully utilize our senses. Have you ever noticed that when teachers are teaching in the class, they will say, don't just hear what we are saying, listen to it. Right? There's a difference between hearing and listening. One is that you just hear it and move away. One is that you consume it,
pay attention.
You have understood whatever you have heard. Right? Then there are so many things. We say that you have to open your eyes and walk. That literally doesn't mean that open your eyes and walk means that pay attention.
Like
pay attention. Right? So Evelyn did not behave as if she was deaf. She started feeling everything. She started paying even more attention to how her body, her sixth sense started working. The sixth sense. There are only 5 senses, and the sixth one is the intuition. So she started working on her sixth sense. Right? Okay. So with this, I'll stop the session here. And why? It is 11:40, children.
Ma'am, last time we did it till 12, ma'am. There is no timing in the meeting.
There are no time. Don't you think I am completing this chapter so quickly?
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, as you told, this chapter is the last chapter for the 40 marks portion. Then we only have grammar and creative writing.
So that means from the moments also we're going to have chapters?
Yeah, from Moments we'll have the Toto, Adventures of Toto.
Ma'am, I finished that chapter. I love that chapter.
I hate that chapter. This is just about a monkey.
It's
The
a
next
monkey.
chapter.
You see how naughty that monkey is?
Well, humans were monkeys.
Angry of myself.
Listen.
Humans were apes.
The next chapter, which is
Comes from the monkey tree.
was that Iswan, the
Actually, no,
storyteller.
never mind.
It's the best. It's the best.
Which one?
The storyteller one.
There are many chapters which are very beautiful in Moments. Very beautiful chapters are there. Let's
ma'am.
continue those chapters. Okay, then we
Moments is the best book because there are no poems in that. That's the best book.
Shefali, you are saying that, being my student,
agreed.
Saying that.
I wrote
There's so
book
much
with
to write
poems.
in the poems now.
I wrote a book with like many poems because I'm so bored.
Okay.
Author Aprajita Mishra.
Can we
Poems should
start
have simple meanings, not deep meanings.
No,
Yes.
it has deep meaning. It has really deep meaning. My poems.
Okay.
We
Can
might drown.
can we read one more slide then? Till then.
Yes,
Yes,
sure.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can we read this time?
Wait.
Please?
Wait. No, I was going with Shivina will read. Shivina,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Ma'am, this is cheating, ma'am.
Ma'am told you will be allowed to read in the next class. Calm down.
She never looked
I
back
will
from
get
the
it by
point
next time.
onwards.
Darshika, quite. Shivina, start.
She never looked back from the point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music her life.
Yes, she toured the United Kingdom with orchestra, huge orchestra. What is an orchestra? What collective noun is orchestra, children?
Ma'am, a large number of people with certain instruments playing. And it's mainly vocals, like.
Exactly. No, orchestra is a collective noun for musicians playing together. It's a group. Yes. So it's a collective noun. Remember to use the word orchestra. If there is a story writing or something, instead of saying group of people were playing music, we can say orchestra. Right? Now, next, who is that? Vinil, read next line. Vinil,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy.
Yes. Then, who is that? Who is left? Many are left. Samita, read.
She gradually moved from the orchestra work to the
Samita,
solo
orchestral.
performance.
Say the word orchestral. Orchestral work.
To the solo performances.
Yes. Remember to learn the spellings. Okay. Venkat Varun has read. Right, Tarun has read. Niharika did not read. Is Niharika there? Niharika? Who is this person? I cannot see his name. P is written here. P. Not answering. Who is this with this symbol? No name is written again. Siddhartha. It is Siddhartha. He has read. Okay. Then Sankarshna has read.
Aditya has not read now.
Aditya has presented the this thing. Okay.
Ma'am, Shivank has not presented, has not read.
Yes.
Ma'am, Shivank has read.
Humaira will read. Humaira.
Shivang, you have to chill now.
Humaira.
Yes.
Humaira. Yes. Humaira,
Yes,
read. Read.
Okay, ma'am.
It's last line. Last two lines.
At the end of her 3-year course, she has
captured
most of the top awards. And for all this, early won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. Sorry.
Yes. Okay. Shivank, read.
She never looked back. What?
Arey, that we did know.
Oh yeah.
Right.
If you work hard and know where you're going, you'll get there. And she also got right to the top. The world's most sought after percussionist. Is that the word?
Yes, percussionist.
With a mastery of some 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule.
Yes.
It is
That's it, Shivang. Shefali, read. 3 lines you read, Shefali.
Hectic international schedule. It is intriguing to watch element function so effortlessly without hearing. In our two-hour discussion, she never missed a word. Men with bushy beards give me trouble. She laughed.
Right. Aparajita, read.
It is not just watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. She speaks flawlessly with a Scottish
lilt. What is a Scottish lilt? What is a lilt?
The accent, little bit like accent.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now, Karni, read.
My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, she says. But that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese.
Okay. Letitia, read.
Japanese.
Nani.
Letitia.
As for music, she explains, it pours into every part of my body. It tingles in my skin.
My cheekbones. Letitia, are you there?
Letitia, you have muted yourself.
Sorry. As for music, she explains, it pours into every part of my body. It tingles in my skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips.
Right. Is Badri present? No, Badri is not there. Siddhartha Atluri? Not answering. Laksh Gundu? Laksh Gundu?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this line?
By learning again the drum, she can feel the instrument falling into her body.
Flowing into her body. Very good. Very good, Laksh. Very good. Right. Everybody has read today. Is there any? Aditya, you did not read. Aditya, read.
He read.
Aditya did
Did I read?
Aditya will read.
All those lines, ma'am, right?
No, only 2 lines.
Ultimately, the first one only.
On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Phil...
One minute. Royal Philharmonic
Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award.
Yes. Now, who is left? Siddhartha Atluri. See, children, I divided the lesson into these lines so that all 37 students can read. But now, when they are not responding, it is really very...
Ma'am, Siddhartha Atluri said his mic is working now.
So, he can read the next line. Siddhartha Atluri.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Says master percussionist.
Says master percussionist James Blades. God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. This is why she expresses music so beautifully.
Wow, very good. Very good.
Ma'am, but this line was in the first also, right, ma'am?
Yes. So that was for discussion, right? Did I write in the first slide who said that sentence?
No.
So
no, ma'am.
Master percussionist who said this sentence about Evelyn Glenn, that it is something extraordinary that what we hear, she feels, and that too feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully, right? So with this, we come to an end of the session.
I'm out.
Yes, Karni.
Ma'am, what's the difference between a choir and an orchestra?
Choir and an orchestra. Choir will not have instruments. Choir is only for singing. That is a group of singers.
This is a group of musicians.
Yes, orchestra is a group of musicians. Okay, right. Now, in the last session, there was a doubt that what is the difference between anaphora and repetition. Divya, you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, anaphora is the use of a phrase. Okay. And repetition is the use of an action. Repetition of an action. There was a word. What was that? What was that? Crumbling. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Crumbling. So that was coming as repetition. Don't was coming as anaphora.
Oh.
Understood? So
yes,
crumbling is an action, repetition of an action. Now do you understand the difference between the figure of speech anaphora and repetition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So children, I think this is also there. We will continue this in the next session.
Ma'am?
Huh?
Ma'am, can you once start showing from the first slide?
Why?
Please, ma'am.
Okay. Right? From here?
Yes, ma'am.
Or from here?
Ma'am, here, ma'am. Start.
Oh.
Ma'am, just saying, but the guy on the top left looks like he's wearing like an AirPod or something.
Yeah, that is Beethoven. Beethoven, the most famous pianist. Right?
Ma'am, it looks like he's wearing an AirPod.
Maybe.
He's the one who composed Fur Elise, right?
Yes. What?
He is the one who composed Fur Elise, right?
I have no idea, Leticia, because though I have listened to Beethoven's music, I cannot say what he has composed. Let me get find out. What is that you are asking? Beethoven's composition.
I think he has, I'm not sure, but I think he has.
That's him only.
Yeah, he is Beethoven. But what Shivank is saying, that he has a earpod. He's wearing something. But I feel he's not wearing a earpod. He's wearing...
Ma'am, he was actually blind, if I'm not wrong.
Was he blind?
Earpods are like early 20s invention.
Yes.
Yes.
But Beethoven was deaf. He was born deaf. He was not
I think like one of his songs was like wet.
Maybe. We can cut.
Beethoven is deaf, ma'am.
Yeah, he is deaf. That's what
was deaf.
he's not blind. Can we do a research on Beethoven?
Must have been an
if we are all talking so much about
at
him?
that time.
We are all researchers. Just say it, ma'am. We are all researchers.
Yes. So can we research on Beethoven? What do you say, children?
A project.
Yes, ma'am.
A project.
Project first.
Yes, ma'am.
First project.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I'll send it to you by today evening, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let's do a project on a chart representation, not a.
Ma'am was going to say debate.
Yeah, no, I was not going to say debate on this. So you are going to make a chart presentation on any of the musicians who are blind or deaf or dumb. Is it fine?
Ma'am, most of
only
Beethoven
musician.
because he's really famous.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'll
only
finish it off by
musicians.
today evening and I'll send it to you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes.
Ma'am,
fine,
why
ma'am.
only musicians, ma'am?
Because we are only talking about musicians here.
No,
But
Divya,
still.
actually yesterday when I was preparing this PPT for all of you, I decided to show some sports person also, right? But then I got confused between two of them. There were two athletes who had polio and they became winners in Olympics. Can you all research on that? I think Awab can research on that because he's a footballer and all those things, na? Why can't you research? Why can't boys research on sports personalities with disabilities?
Ma'am, that is discrimination, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wanted to do Beethoven.
You do Beethoven, Shivang. You do Beethoven.
Ma'am, can you do Stephen Hawking?
Yes, yes, Divya. Whatever you are free to do. Okay. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sayonara.
Sayonara. Bid adieu.
Annyeong, ma'am.
Bon voyage.
Annyeong.
Yes, but listen, children. Again, stay safe, stay healthy, be happy, right? And miss you all. Chalo.
Yes,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye in Bhojpuri.
We don't know. Research and come back next time.
Mom, I'm out. Like, actually, in the video that you showed, there was about a girl called Bethany Hamilton who actually lost her arm to a shark attack.
Yes.
Mom, I know about her, so can I just do something on that as well as Beethoven?
Yeah, why not? Why not? Anything extra is always welcome, Leticia.
Ma'am, so we have to do it on chart?
Yes, on a chart, on an A4 sheet paper, however you want to do. Children, for next session, who Shivank is going to present, Tarun is going to present, and which one, and Leticia is going to present.
But ma'am,
Ma'am,
we
you said
have to
Karni.
do so many projects in the next class then.
And Karni also?
Yes, ma'am, you said Karni first. Karni is like 2 minutes,
Karni,
but she attend.
Leticia, Shivank, and Tarun's group. Be ready. Okay?
Ma'am, how many projects do we have to show you now, ma'am?
No, we will see. Now, children, also remember on your screen, be ready with the project so that we don't waste time. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arun, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.